Using the Auto Transcribe feature in Premiere Pro can save a lot of time when you need to add subtitles to your video. Make sure you're using the latest version of Premiere, as older versions may not have this feature. Create your edit, and then left-click Sequence in the menu bar and choose Auto Transcribe Sequence. A new window will appear where you can select the transcription options, including the language your dialogue is recorded in. Click Transcribe and Premiere will automatically create the transcription. Next, you need to click Create Captions, which will open a new window where you can specify details about the captions, and here we're simply going to change from double lines to single lines. Click Create and the captions will be added to your video on a dedicated caption channel. Premiere is often very accurate, but it's worth checking the spelling and grammar, and you can make alterations either in the captions window or by double-clicking the caption in the program window. Lastly, when you come to export, go to the captions option and make sure Burn Captions into Video is selected, otherwise your captions may not be rendered in your final export.